Hey, on September 11th, I was out in the field in Arlington, Texas with Ranjana Bandari of Livable Arlington and some French journalists. Let me show you what happened. Our first stop was DWG Compressor Facility. Top left is Arlington Ag Center. The X's were reparked, and outlined in red is the facility. The permit for this facility says it's 50 feet away from the nearest receptor. That's just not true. There's really no ground truthing for these permits. In this video, the tall stack is hotter than the short stack, but they are both putting out a lot of pollution and it's traveling very far. It made everyone in our party feel really bad. In high sensitivity mode, you can really get a sense of how far the emissions are traveling. They traveled all the way to the Mexican food restaurant on the corner and beyond. We could smell them the moment we got out of the car, and we parked near the Arlington ISD Ag Center. So I know the children who were going to classes there had to be impacted by these odors. Here you can see an additional source of emissions. These are not heated emissions. It looks like a hatch is open. By this time, we were feeling pretty bad and had to take about a 2-hour break before we could continue. Our next stop was Lake Arlington Compressor Station. Again, there are homes and businesses that surround this site. You will see emissions coming from these tanks from the pressure relief valve on the top. In high sensitivity mode, you can see it is a very large plume traveling very far. The tanks are designed to hold liquids, but there is gas mixed in with the liquids. The gas separates, rises to the top. It's volatile gases, methane, and volatile organic compounds. If these volatile gases are not released, pressure will increase and rupture the equipment. Putting volatile gases into steel creates a big problem for the industry. The industry's problem is a physics problem. When they release methane and VOCs, it becomes a global climate problem and a health problem for the neighbors.